Hello students, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are newcomer to my YouTube channel, please subscribe the channel and watch the video. In this video, I am going to show you how to add some more detail to this specific members. To do this, come to your project, then wrap members, then take a new web page or HTML page with name details.html. Okay, that's one tag. My members dot first name. Okay, dot first name dot last name. Paragraph tag, phone, my members dot phone fee member since my members dot joined date. You have to add some link to go back. Paragraph back to member. Okay, then members. With this link, I will go back to this URL members. Then this URL will call the view function, member function, this function. Then we will go back to the members page. So now I want all these members should be clickable. For this purpose, we can go back to the all members and we will edit this with a link that should be clickable. Control X, href. Okay, and paste here. When we click to this members at first name or last name, we should go to the details about the specific member. Then details x dot id. Once we click at x dot first name, member dot first name or last name, we should go to the details about the specific member. This is the member specific id. Once we click at member dot first name or last name, then this will call the details to the URL with member id. Then create a URL for this. Path details views dot details. You should create a function for this detail. Sorry, this is members details and id, name details, Okay, I mean, once we clicked Khan, our last name Jan or Khan or Kabir Ahmad, this is the first name, this is the last name, then it will call the details page with specific member ID. Then create a new view for this URL. For this URL, we have to create a new view. Come to the view page. Div details request ID. My member, this is our this is my model member dot objects dot get ID is equal to ID. Once we click this member first name or last name, it will call the specific member ID to the URL like this. This is all my member. Once we click this x dot first name, x means member dot first name or last name, it will call the detail page with this member ID. I mean that to the URL this pattern will be called. Template is loader dot get template details dot html. Okay, context my member is equal to my member. Okay, return HTTP response template dot render context request. Okay, then save it. All the pages. Come here, run the server. Python manage.py run server. Sorry. Manage.py. Then come here. Then all our members are clickable now. If we click at the member's first name or last name, then it will call the details about the specific member. Okay, John Khan, this is his phone or cell number, or from February 13, 2022. His join date is. Thank you for watching.